Hey guys, what's up? It's Mickey from Santon here. We're very happy to be a part of this project. The spec list included Electro Voice EVID 5.2 fill speakers, Dayton Audio sub 1000L 10-inch subwoofers, ART SLA2 and SLA4 amplifiers, Ashley Protea processor running everything. The projector was a Sony VPL HW45ES projector. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We're open Tuesday to Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturdays from noon till 4 at number 4 Jim Wilson Lane in Toronto, Ontario. You can reach us at 905-475-2038 or info@santonaudio.ca. Thanks, and we'll catch you in the next one.